Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo. Welcome to the channel. Today, I've got something different, but it's kind of the same. These are the Tozo A2 minis. Now in this video, we'll see what comes in the box, we'll check out the build quality, check out some features and specs, and we'll see how they fit, and more importantly, we'll see how they sound, and I'll let you know what I think of them. So inside the box, you get a user manual, a charging cable that is a USB-A to USB-C, and extra ear tips with size medium installed from the factory. And last but not least, you get the case with the earbuds inside. The case is made out of hard plastic that is smooth to the touch. On the front, you have 4 LED lights that tell you the battery life. Up top, you have some Tozo branding, and on the back, you have USB-C charging port. As far as the build quality goes, the case is made out of plastic, so you can't really expect much, but I do believe they will keep the buds protected. Also, the case is magnetized, so the buds will be held nice and secure. Now the earbuds are made out of the same material as the case. On the outside, you have some Tozo branding. On the inside, you have your charging pins, and it does say left and right, so you know which ear they are for. Now the earbuds are IPX5 water resistant, so no problem working out in these and getting a little sweat on them, or if you're out and about and you get caught out in the rain, it won't be a problem. Now as far as fit goes, I personally found these to fit very comfortable and lightweight. I forgot I was wearing them at times. The footprint of the earbuds and also the case is very compact. No problems carrying these in your pocket, even if you are rocking skinny jeans. Battery life on the earbuds is okay. You get 5 hours of playtime on a single charge, and an additional 20 hours using the case to charge, giving you a total of 25 hours. Not bad considering these are less than 20 bucks. The earbuds are touch control, but the controls aren't the greatest on these, and I tend to control the music with my watch or my phone. The buds also do not come with any noise cancellation or EQ modes, but the sound on these are excellent for the price. The earbuds use Bluetooth 5.3 and have a transmission distance of 12 meters, or about 40 feet before they start to cut out. The tuning on these are on the bass heavy side, but they don't overpower the mids and highs. They actually sound very good. These not only work great for listening to music, but for watching videos and some light gaming. Now there's no dedicated game mode on these, but for casual games, they work fine. I didn't notice any kind of lag. Now let's pair this with my phone. Make sure you have Bluetooth on your phone, have the earbuds nearby, take one out of the case, and it will start to blink red and blue. This means it's in pairing mode. Your phone will see it, hit connect, and you're paired. Now anytime you want to use them, just put them in your ear and they will automatically connect. Alright, before I forget, let's do a quick mic check.
Hey, what is up guys? John here at Tekmogo doing a quick mic check on the Tozo A2 True Wireless Earbuds. Microphone check 1 2, microphone check 1 2.
Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think they sound good. So some final thoughts. Now these earbuds don't have any of the latest and greatest features, but they will provide you with great listening experience at a price that won't break the bank. These earbuds go for 15 to 20 bucks on Amazon, and I feel is a steal at that price. I'll provide a link in the description in case you want to check them out. Just a heads up, the Amazon link is an affiliate link, so if you use the link to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very much appreciated. So with that said, thank you all so much for watching. If you found value in this video and like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at Tekmogo. I'll see you in the next one.